Hello, 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 hello. We'll be live in a minute. We shall be live in a minute. And what we're going to do today is we're going to read. We are also going to learn the parts of the body. So we shall be reading the Luo language as we learn the human parts of the body. And I'll be taking you through this book. This is the second book of this series. The first book we did 2 weeks ago. And if you require that book, you can go to the members section and download it by yourself. There is a link on the members section. Just click on membership and then click on the members and then download the book. So this second book, we are going to look at the human body. I have put all the parts of the body together so that it's easier for us to work with it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're joining us, you can say hi on the chat section, on the comment section. You can say hi so that the rest of us can say Anthony or Titi, thank you. And everybody else, thank you for joining us. And you're welcome, welcome, welcome. So those who are joining us from Facebook, you're welcome. If you're joining us from YouTube, if you're joining us from Twitch, unfortunately, I don't think I was able to link Twitter today. So you can only see the three of us from that other end. So what parts of the body are we looking at? I want us to look at all the parts of the body. Someone had requested for the internal and the external parts. Margaret Calori, thank you so very much. Someone had requested for the external and internal parts of the body. We are going to look at all of that. I don't think we'll have time to look at all of them, but I will see what happens. So we shall start with the easier ones. And the easier one is the head. And the head is called WICH. WICH. Just like when you say which person. So WICH is head. And if you possess, like if you say his, my, your, or mine, or yours, or his, or hers, then now we can say YIER. YIER. YIER is my head. YIE. YIE is your head. YIE. YIE. His head. So my head, YIER. YIE. YIE. And I also have some sentences that we can look at. When someone says WIYA bara, WIYA bara, then that means my head is aching or I have a headache. WIYA bara, I have a headache. WIYE bare, WIYE bare, he has a headache. WIYI bari, WIYI bari, you, your head, or you have a headache or your head is aching. And finally, WIYI bari, WIYI bari, do you have a headache? Do you have a headache? WIYI bari. So that's questioning. Just a moment. Let me check whether we are live on Facebook. Sorry. Now the second word. Yeah, we're live. The second one is wang. Wang. Wang is the eye. Wang. So let's see. It says wang'a. Wang'a. So wang'a becomes my eye. Thank you for all those who are liking the stream, all those who are following us. Thank you so much. Wangi, your eye. Wangi. Wangye. Wangye, his or her eye. Wang'a. Wangi. Wangye. Now this wang is one eye. If you have one eye, you say wang, wang'a, wang'a. If you have 2 eyes, you say wenge, wenge. So in sentences you can say wang'a otimo ololo, wang'a otimo ololo. Now ololo is this, when you wake up in the morning, there's those things that come into your eye when you wake up in the morning, and when you just woke up. I don't know how you call them in English, but I just said it's a past infection. Wang'i otimo ololo. Your eye has. Wang'i otimo ololo. Wang'e, wang'e otimo ololo. Okay? Then let's move on to when you have 2 eyes. Then you say wenge, wenge. Wenge are 2 eyes, so wenge na tindo. Wenge na tindo. I have small eyes. Wenge na rachar. My eyes are white. Wenge na rachar. Sam Owiti, thank you so much. Wenge na rakwar. My eyes are red. Wenge na rakwar. Chal ni atuo. Wenge na rakwar. If you're reading along with me, just look at where my mouse is. You see where my mouse is? There you go. Wenge na rakwar. Chal ni atuo. Wenge na rakwar. Chal ni atuo. My eyes are red. I could be sick. The nose is That's the nose. Uma, umi, ume, uma, umi, ume. So my nose, uma. Your nose, umi. His nose, ume. Do I have a 10 sentence? Yes, I do. Uma otimo. Otinyo. Uma otimo. Otinyo. My nose is full of mucus. Uma otimo. Otinyo. Then ng'ato. Ng'ato. Ogoyo. Ume ngum. Ng'ato ogoyo ume ngum. So someone has punched his nose. His nose has a punch. It's been punched up. Umi ni kod bur ma okwot akwota ni. Umi ni kod bur ma okwot akwota ni. If you're with me and you're reading, this is where we are right now. If you look at my mouse, this is what we are reading right now. Umi ni kod bur ma okwot akwota ni. Now if you say umi ni kod bur, that's like asking a question. Does your nose have a boil? It's swollen and this isn't normal. Does it have a boil? Umi ni kod bur. Okay. Then the next one is the mouth, which is DHOK. DHOK. DHOK is DHOK, like them. DHOK. DHOK. And thank you for liking the stream. DHOK. Dogga. 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 My mouth. Doggy. Doggy. Dogge. Dogge. Dogwa. Dogwa. So dogga, doggy, dogge, dogwa. So that's how you say mouth. In sentences, dogga nitiere but uma. Remember we just talked about and was nose. So dhoga nitiere but uma. My nose is located, sorry, my mouth is located next to my nose. Dhoga nitiere but uma. Then the second one is dhoge nitiere but ume. I just changed the possessive version of it and said his mouth is located next to his nose. Dhoge nitiere but ume. Dhogi nitiere but umi. Dhogi nitiere but umi. So your mouth is located next to your nose. So nitiere but, you can see nitiere but is constant for all of them. Nitiere but next to nitiere but, but then the possessiveness changes. Do ga, do ge, do gi, and then uma, ume, umi, and that is his, your, and my. That's how you can create sentences with one word. So if you have a sentence and you want me to read it loud, you can also type it on the chat box. Either YouTube or Facebook, I'll be able to see it and we can always read it aloud. And I'm hoping it can also pop up on my screen. So question number, not question, but the next one is the ear, which is it. It is ear. It. So in possessive terms, ita, my ears, iti, your ears, ite, his ears, itwa, our ears, itu, your ears. Now itu means many people's ears. You're like all of you. I'll say that again. Ita, my ears. Ita. It is ear. It. Now ita. Then iti. Ite. Itwa. Itu. Itu. Now you can give me sentences with it. Sentences with it. You can always type the sentences on the chat box. And let's move. Ite dongo ka mag liech. Ite dongo ka mag liech. That means that his ears are as big as those of an aranga, of an elephant. Ite dongo ka mag liech. Ite olil. Chal ni ok oluok ga. Ite olil. Chal ni ok oluok ga. He has dirty ears, it seems he doesn't wash them. Ite olil. Chal ni ok oluok ga. Then the last one. Koko no. Mio ite wa ramo wa. Koko no. Mio ite wa ramo wa. That noise is causing us pain in our ears. Koko no mio ite wa ramo wa. Good. So the next part of the body is hair or YIER. YIER. Hair. YIER. So what does hair mean? YIER. So in a sentence you can say YIER wiya. YIER wiya. So if you say yier wiya, what does it mean? It means my hair. Then you can also say yier wiye. Yier wiye. And also yier wiyi. Yier wiyi. So in a sentence, you can say that yier wiya boyo nikech akado ga gotieno. There's a spelling mistake here. There's akado. There's an A missing here, right here. Yier wiya boyo nikech akado ga gotieno. Yier wiya boyo nikech akado ga gotieno. My hair is long because I plait or twist it in the night. Cheek or limb. Limb. Limb is a cheek. Limb. Limb. So, limb. Limba. My cheek. Limbi. Your cheek. Limbe. Her cheek. And limbgi. Their cheeks. Limba. Limbi. Limbe. And limbgi. Their cheeks. So in a sentence you can say limba okwot nikech atuo. I'll say that again. Limba okwot nikech atuo. So that means that my cheeks are swollen because I'm sick. Now if you see this number 20 scrolling on the top left of my screen, that is the number of people who have liked the stream or subscribed during the time that we are on session. So if you're on session and you've not liked or subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to just click on that and see the number change to 21 or to 22. And thank you so very much for subscribing to the channel. If you subscribe, the number will change to 21 or to 22. So right now we only have 20 people who have subscribed, and thank you so much, all the 20 of you. That is across all channels. Either it's Facebook, it's Twitch, it's this aggregates everything in YouTube and everywhere else. So please just click on follow if you're on YouTube. If you're in Facebook, please click on subscribe, and that number will change. The next thing we look at is the eyelashes, and the eyelashes are called YIER wang. YIER wang. YIER wang. So YIER wang, my eyelashes. My eyelashes is YIER wanga. YIER wanga. My eyelashes. YIER wang. YIER wangi, your eyelashes. YIER wange, YIER wange, his eyelashes or her eyelashes. In a sentence you can say YIER wanga boyo. YIER wanga boyo. My eyelashes are very long. YIER wanga boyo. Then we can talk about lack. Lack is tooth, and lack is one tooth, like one piece of teeth. One tooth. Lack is tooth. When you say one tooth, you're spoiling the English. Laka, my tooth. Laki, your tooth. Lake, his tooth. Laka, laki, lake. My, your, and his. Laka, laki, lake. Laka ne obukore gotieno ma oring koda e od thieth. I'll take that again. Laka ne obukore gotieno ma oring koda e od thieth. So my tooth became worse at night, so they had to rush me to the hospital. Lakane obukore gotieno ma oring koda e od thieth. The plural of laka becomes leke. Leke. So leke is many teeth, and in this case the example will be leke na, my teeth, leke ni, your teeth, leke ne, her teeth. Leke na, leke ni, leke ne. So that is my teeth, your teeth, her teeth, their teeth. In a sentence, you can say, leke ne tar maber manadeni. Leke ne tar maber manadeni. Leke ne tar maber manadeni. So her teeth are white and so beautiful. Tar is associated with being white and clean, okay? Then lep, tongue is lep. Lep. So lep becomes tongue, and tongue is lewa, my, lewi, yours, and lewe, hers. Lewa, lewi, lewe. In a sentence you can say, lewa rabora kaka mar aluo luo. Lewa rabora kaka mar aluo luo. My tongue is as long as a camel. I don't know whether a camel's tongue is long, or a tiger, a camel, or a giraffe. Lewa rabora kaka mar aluo luo. Then we talk about the neck, where she's adorning. You see where she's adorning the ornament? That is the neck, and the neck is ngut. 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 Ngut-a. Ngut-a. So ngut-a, that is my neck. Nguti, your neck. Ngute. Ngute. Nguta. Nguti. Ngute. In a sentence you can say, Nyar Masai ngute opongo tiga. Nyar Masai ngute opongo tiga. So the Maasai woman is adorning, the neck is adorned with many necklaces. My Nyar Masai ngute opongo tiga. Then the next one is shoulder, and shoulder is gok. Gok. That's the shoulder. Gok. Shoulder. Ginzil Haman. Thank you so very much. Shoulder. That is gok. This part of the body. This part is the gok. And in a sentence, goka is my shoulder. Goke is her shoulder. Goki is your shoulder. So gok. Kar irwako law ma ogolo goki oko, eka in jaber. Ka irwako law ma ogolo goki oko, eka in jaber. So when you adorn a cloth that shows your shoulders, makes you pretty. You can see this lady is very pretty because of the shoulders and the goke. So goka, my shoulders. Goke, her shoulders. Goki, your shoulders. Please share the stream with your friends so that they can also come and learn with us. And the next one is agoko. Agoko. Agoko is the chest. Where there's you see where this man has put his the tattoo. Agoko. So agoko, agoga is my chest. Agogi is your chest. Agoge is his chest. So agoga, agogi, agoge. In the sentence you can say agoge oyiech nikech chuma ma oting'o pile. Agoge oyiech nikech chuma ma oting'o pile. Oting'o pile. So he has a great chest because of the weight lifting that he does every day. Agoge oyiech nikech chuma ma oting'o pile. Then we look at okumbo, the elbow. Elbow is okumbo. Okumbo. My elbow, okumbo na. Okumbo ni. Okumbo ne. My elbow, your elbow, our elbow. In a sentence you can say be anyalo tiyo kod okumbo na yawo dhodno. Be anyalo tiyo kod okumbo na yawo dhodno. Can I use my elbow to open the door? That is when you shove, like if you shove your elbow to open a door like this. You're asking, can I? Boom. Can I hit it with my elbow? Be anya tiyo go okumbo na yawo dhodno. Then you do that. Okay? Good. Now the next one is the hands, or luedo. Luedo. That is the hands. So my hands are lueta. Your hands are lueti. And his hands are luete. Lueta, lueti, luete. In a sentence, I hope I have a sentence for this. Oh, yes I do. Luete otimo leche. Luete otimo leche. Luete otimo leche. The hands have a lot of veins. Luete otimo leche. So let's look at two more at least, and then we shall call it a day. And thank you for those who've been with us the entire period. Those who've been learning with us, you can now start talking about what you've learned so far. The finger is called lit luedo. Lit luedo. Lit. The T and the H have to be pronounced. So that lit. I don't know whether the microphone is doing it justice. Lit lueta. Lit luete. So in a sentence you can say, oh, I don't have a sentence for that. But you can write a sentence on the chat box, on the comment section. You can write a sentence for lit luedo, just so that we become interactive. And the other one is, I want us to talk about stomach, which is itch. 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 Stomach. Itch. Iya. Iyi. Iya. Iya. Iyi. Iye. I don't think I have a I have a sentence. Nyako no iye duong manade. Nyako no iye duong manade. Chal ni en kod rude. Nyako no iye duong manade. Chal ni en kod rude. En kod rude. Nyako no iye duong manade. Chal ni en kod rude. Good. So this is the last slide for the day. We've been here for 30 minutes. I don't want us to go any further. If you're watching this after we have streamed live, please comment on the comment section. Just give us a comment if you think there's something we missed on the upper part of the body that you think we have not touched on. You can always just give it to us and then we can incorporate it in the next video. That way you have a lot of content to go through. So this was human body, Dend Dhano reading, and this video will be available on our YouTube channel and on our Facebook page. But also this PDF document will be available for download on the section, on the, how do you call it? On the comment section, not on the comment, on the description section of the video. Anna, thank you so much for being with us the entire time. And thank you for always supporting our channel. So I'll be placing the PDF on the comment section. I'll be placing a link there. You can always download it, watch the video, and go through it by yourself at your own pace. I hope you had a happy learning and enjoy your week as you begin your week wherever you are in the whole world. Would like to stop here, and you have a great day, and I will see you next Sunday. Oriti, oriti, oriti. Thank you, Jason Deda, for subscribing. Karani Carol, thank you for following. James Ochieng, thank you for liking. Ginzil Haman, thank you for liking. Everybody who is subscribing right now, thank you so much. I told you when someone subscribes, it changes the number. You can see that number has now changed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Somebody has subscribed again. I'm here to get the feedback. I just saw it. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, everybody. I hope this was helpful to you. Next time we shall go through the other parts of the body. We still have a lot because we have to do the upper part of the body, the lower parts of the body, and we also have to go to the internal parts. For now, bye-bye. Oriti.